The pages of yesterday cannot be revised, but the pages of tomorrow are blank and you hold the pen, so make use of it in the best way. Make it an inspiring story. With these lines, I welcome all of you in my special program Jeevan Ke Rang, Darpan Ke Sang, an initiative by Prerna Darpan Sahityak Evam Sanskritik Manch. Yes, dear ones, you hold the pen and you all have used it in a golden way. All of you are great and talented poetesses. Today's presentations are by very renowned, talented, exuberant and dynamic personalities. All of them are great writers who have won laurels in many competitions. All of them are great writers. The poetesses who will be giving their presentations today are Honorable Poetess Lopamudra Mishra, Rajshri Mohapatra, Sweetie Soni Lal and Kunja Devi Upadhyay. Please welcome all of them with a big round of applause. The first presentation is by a very sweet, loving, talented and dynamic personality, Honorable Poetess Lopamudra Mishra from Bhubaneswar, Orissa. She completed her post-graduation in English from Cuttack. Her fascination for writing came from her grandfather and father from an early age. Her poems have been published in many magazines and anthologies. Her books, which have been published, are Rime of Rain, First Rain, Tingling Parables, and Rivulet of Emotions. She has won in many online poetry competitions. Let's welcome Honorable Poetess Lopamudra Mishra.
Shadow. The shadow I see in the evening is faintly visible to me in the morning. Afternoon blues signifies it's always with me, smiling and weeping, living safely among the darkest closet, unharmed, refined, elegant and divine. The buzz of trumpet, the melody of trumpet, the ringtone of catchut, the sweet music of casket are all aware of my secrets. Here I and the shadow mysteriously play the paramount role, weaving dreams of thousand ifs and thousand buts.
Mind-blowing presentation, dear Honorable Poetess Lopamudra Mishra. Her poem Shadow is the replica of oneself. The very expression oneself bears equal significance with the shadow. This is undeniable and we see ourselves through the images. Awesome right and wonderful presentation, dear Honorable Poetess Lopamudra Mishra. Thanks a lot for sharing this wonderful right with us. Let us now welcome a renowned poetess, Kunja Devi Upadhyay from Assam. She is a bilingual poetess. She writes poetry and articles in English and Assamese. She is associated with Literary Society of Assam, Assam Sahitya Sabha, Poetic Association of Assam, etc. She has her own anthology, Prabahini in Assamese. Welcome, dear Honorable Poetess, Kunja Devi Upadhyay.
Welcome everyone. I am going to recite one of my poems for Prerna Darpan Sahityik एवं सांस्कृतिक मंच. Thank you Rita Chugh Madam who invite me for this group. My poem is Imagine. Imagine. My world is mine. I live here with little fun and lots of imagination. I play with hopes and faiths because they are my best friends. I always maintain a distance from those who keep ambitions and egoistic thoughts. I am a little dust among the dust. Simplicity is my own color. Struggle of life is one of my greatest blessings. Struggle of life is one of my greatest blessings. It teaches me patience, sometimes makes sensitive. It teaches me the real nature of human beings. The people are too different to know their status. The people are too different to know their status. The world is not only suffering, it is also covering it. I want to reconcile with difficulties. I want to reconcile with difficulties. To win terrible powers is a renowned poet and writer. Thank you.
A very positive and inspirational poem. The poetess says that she lives with hope and faith. She maintains a distance from those who have egoistic thoughts. She feels that struggle of life is one of the greatest blessings. Very well said, dear Honorable Poetess Kunja Devi Upadhyay. A great message for all. Coming up now is Honorable Poetess Rajshri Mohapatra from Bhubaneswar. She is also a bilingual poetess. She writes in Odia and English. Her poems are translated into many national and international languages. She has co-authored 2 poetry books, Mirage and Seeker. She is a senator and is elected to World Union of Poets. She devotes her time in painting. Most of her paintings can be found on the cover of prestigious anthologies. Let's listen what she has to say through her poem. Honorable Poetess Rajshri Mohapatra.
Don't Look for Me, a poem composed and recited by Rajshri Mohapatra. Don't look for me, love, in the inert form of the leaves of fall. Don't look for me, love, in the inert form of the leaves of fall. There you'd find not me, but the fire of anguish. There, droplets of dew hide the tears. Don't look for me, love, on the earth, in water, in land, or in the sky, in the heaven exalted, or in the hell condemned, in their mere songs of emptiness. I am not there. Nor am I there in your memories quiet vault forgotten or awakened, nor in the casket of your heart as the dream of green survived. I am in time. I am in time would merge in its unbroken flow. I am in time would merge in its unbroken flow, in its limitless spread, and in its unspoken word, as one with you in your state of being united. I am in time would merge in its unbroken flow, in its limitless spread, and in its unbroken word, as one with you in your state of being united. Rajashree Mahapatra, Bhubaneswar, India. Thank you.
An outstanding poem with wonderful presentation. It's a poem of unflinching loyalty, adhered to gleams of love. She tells her lover not to look for her in the inert form of leaves of fall, or on the earth, in water, in land, or in the sky, or in the memories. She beautifully says that she is in time and would merge in its unbroken flow. Awesome right, dear Honorable Poetess Rajashree Mahapatra. Ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome a sweet, loving, beautiful and adorable poetess, Sweetie Soni Lal from Patna, Bihar. She has graduated in English Honours. Writing is her hobby. She has won in many online poetry competitions. Welcome, dear Honorable Poetess, Sweetie Soni Lal.
Everyone, respected ma'am, sir, and my dear friends. Today I'm going to share with you all my thoughts in the form of poetry. So now I'm showing and telling in front of you all, please. Title is Virtuous Religion and a Valuable Idea. When I was standing in my balcony in this morning, I saw a crow that came there and started making noise after seeing the grains lying on the ground. Then I started thinking, why is he thinking that he is not going to eat so little? For a long time, I kept looking at him in this way, when after some time he showed that he had been with his before and after that he was removing his voice. He was not eating the food, means grains. Then I thought, or why he is still making the sound again and again. Then saw that something else is trying to call, and when the crows didn't came, but the sound of all the crows was making a noise from afar. That is, they had knocked that all of them are coming to accept this feast as a benefit for themselves. And just after a while I saw that some more crows have come and they too have rest assumed. So in this way I was able to understand such feeling from the crows, that they didn't lose their patience even when they saw the object they wanted, and gave the importance of sitting and enjoying with everyone should also be in front. Today she saw, see how a small creature went away by giving us a big lesson for our life, that no matter what precious thing is lying in front of us, we should not lose our patience and share it with everyone, then receive it. Thanks a lot.
Excellent presentation of a beautiful poem, dear Honorable Poetess Sweetie Soni Lal. Your poem is very inspiring and gives a wonderful message that no matter how much valuable things are lying in front of us, we should not lose our patience and share it with everyone. Awesome poem with a wonderful message. Thanks for sharing such a wonderful poem with us. Dear Poetess, Sweetie Soni Lal. Now, at the end, I would like to say that a good event never ends in the world. They take only a pause and keep us awaiting for the next. Thanks a lot, everyone, for being with us and giving your valuable comments. We'll see you soon with my next episode of Jeevan Ke Rang, Darpan Ke Sang with some Bhutanese poets and poetesses. Be sure to listen to them. Bye for now. Stay home, stay safe, and be connected.
मोरिंगा फूड सप्लीमेंट आधुनिक चिकित्सा पद्धति, रिसर्च और हमारे आयुर्वेदिक ज्ञान का सम्मिश्रण रोग प्रतिरोधक क्षमता बढ़ाने के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर भगत हॉस्पिटल में स्थित फार्मेसी में उपलब्ध।